In this video, I'm going to show you a new feature that just came out in Wondershare Filmora version 15, and that's got to do with the AI background generator. So this uses AI to generate some background music. So if you click on this icon here, you now get these two options. So the Smart Background Generation version 2, apparently this one shows a significant improvement compared with version 1. So I'm just going to compare the two. Now you can see that with version 2, it uses up more AI credits. So depending on the length of your video, you would use a corresponding amount of credits. Compared to version 1, it uses a lot less credits. So this one here is 4 AI credits compared to 580 credits. Now the video is roughly about a minute, so depending on how long the video is, you basically use up more credits if it's longer. So let me start this and let's compare the two. Obviously it will take a little while to generate. You can check your task list to see how it's progressing. So at the moment it's converting. Just let this run, and then I'll do the version 1 as well, and then we can compare the two. Okay, so that's done. You can basically see it here in the timeline. Now let me play this and see how it sounds like. Put it down a little bit. But and then I'll run it again. This time version 1 should use up only 4 credits. Take a little while as well to generate. Once again, you can check the status here. Okay, so the second AI background audio has been generated. So this is the second one. Let me mute this one here and let's play a little bit of this one here and then compare the two. Okay, here we go. Doesn't sound too bad either. Let me switch to the other one. My computer is getting a bit laggy now. The mouse is not behaving. Okay, let's go. So which one do you prefer? The version 2 or version 1? To me, they both sound very similar. Not sure whether it's worth using all those extra credits just for version 2, but let me know what you think in the comments.